Hello, and welcome to Trading Without Fear. Good day, Quentin, and good day, everyone. Welcome to Trading Without Fear. So today's trades was a little bit all over the place. I just didn't really feel as connected to the markets as I was last week. So the first trade that I took was on BBBY, Bed Bath & Beyond, and I was looking at some puts, $8 strike. And I got into this one thinking that we had a gap up. It looked like it was starting to fade down. And I ended up getting into it right around here. And when it started, retracing and try to, test this VWAP, I ended up getting stopped out right here around the 830 mark. The bubbles on this one aren't actually showing up. Don't know why, but I ended up taking a loss on that one. And the loss on that one was a total of just chucking it up around $85, so 28%. Then AMC had a nice push. It was starting to form a nice wedge pattern. And so I ended up getting into the trade on the long side, $30 strike price. And so I ended up buying it right here, 3 contracts at $1.97. And at the high, I wasn't up that much. I think it was like 15% or something like that. At the high, I was only up like 20%. So when the ABCD patterns reversing and fell through VWAP right here, I ended up getting stopped out all 3 contracts at 141. So that was a loss of $168. And then Tesla. The next trade I got into was AMD. So AMD looked like it was starting to form this nice descending triangle right here. And with the Qs and stuff like that, looked like it was topping. AMD was also a sympathy play to NVIDIA. So I got into AMD at the $95 puts. And what I was expecting was, a little bit more downside. And I was looking to risk 25% for a potential of 70. And where I bought it at 74, the high was 115. So that would have been around a 55%. I should have gotten at least 1 contract off. It just never actioned off. There was no buyers to buy the other side of my order. So it just came back down and got all 6 contracts stopped out for $108 loss. And I was looking at the Q. As the markets are crashing, short selling has become more common in my trading system. TradeZero offers a large list of hard-to-borrow stocks. One of the unique features that I love about TradeZero is they offer you the ability to sell back borrowed shares and get a percentage in return. Locate fees adds up, and this feature allows you to save more money. The executions are done with direct market access, which means the executions are lightning fast. TradeZero offers customizable level 2s and time and sells, which is a great feature that I love. Click the affiliate link below and open your TradeZero account today. And the Qs look like they was starting to get a little bit toppy on this 3-month chart. Looks like we've had a couple of days where it just couldn't break out of this resistance level. So I thought today may be a good first red day play. And there's again another descending triangle right here. So I tried to get into it first right around this area. As a 132 strike price on puts, or 123, sorry. So I ended up getting into it. So I started seeing this fade. So what I was thinking about was is potentially going to try to break down this level right here on this descendant triangle pattern. And so I ended up getting some puts right here. The put contracts that I got was the 323 strike. So what I was looking at was getting in here, and it was around this candle right here. And I ended up getting stopped out when it reversed and started retracing VWAP. And then I ended up trying to get back into the trade. I got 6 more contracts at 50 cents and scale out of the trade, took all 6 contracts off at 93 cents. So that trade was a total profit of $258. And because the market looks like it was a little bit toppy, Tesla was a good trade for me last week. So I was looking at Tesla and it just looks like it was, kind of topped out a little bit and was potentially going to keep downtrending. And even right now, it looks like it's still in a downtrend. So I ended up getting some puts on this one of the $800 strike. And 3 contracts at 19. So it was around this area right here. And just kind of let the trade work and scale the trade. Took first contract off at 119. Second one at $2, and then the third one off at 216. And so that was first one was a $71 profit. The other one was an $81 profit and 97. So with the basically 2 winning trades, that put me up to a green day today. The other losing trades, it's possibly just because like I said, I just wasn't feeling it, wasn't really feeling the market directions, or it could just be the probabilities. It's still a green day. Total profits, including commissions and everything, works out to be $44 even. So not a bad start to the week. Last week I made around $1,259. That's not including commissions. So so far 2 weeks in a row that's been green. And that's pretty much it. So I've just been looking for ascending and descending triangles in the markets and playing the probabilities and trying to separate the capital each day. Today I started off with $244-ish, I think it was, and right now I'm 2,471. Sorry, so I started off with 2,444, I think it was, and currently at 2,471. So around a $44 profit as what the broker statement says. So pretty good day. Looking forward to see what tomorrow brings, doing a watch list later and trying to see what's going to be potential for out there for tomorrow. And hope you guys enjoy your day. Talk to you later. Bye. Hello, and welcome to Trading Without Fear.